On June 15th, National Bureau of Statistics of China released China's economic data in May, which demonstrated gradually growing industrial productions, resuming domestic demands, and visibly accelerating imports and exports in foreign trade. China's economy is countering the constraints with the trend of recovery. These positive signals have drawn wide attention of the foreign media. CNBC observed that China's economic numbers in May come in better than expected. It reported that China's industrial production rose mildly by 0.7% in May from a year ago versus an unexpected 0.7% drop according to market analysts. Fixed asset investment for the January to May period rose by 6.2%, topping expectations of 6% growth. Though still facing difficulties and challenges for recovery, China's economic numbers outperformed the projections made by analysts quoted by Reuters. Multiple media highlighted the foreign trade data of China in May. China's foreign trade rebounded as total imports and exports went up 9.6% year-on-year, 9.5 percentage points higher than last month. CNN described such data with strong. DW reported that the rebound of China's foreign trade, the growth rates of both imports and exports outpaced the expectations of market analysts. According to VOA, China's imports and exports have seen strong rebound in May, with relatively significant growth of trading volumes with all major trading partners. According to Reuters, China's trade outlook faces risks from factors such as high raw material costs, uncertainties from the Ukraine war, and as recovering production overseas affects demand for Chinese goods. It also believes, however, that recovery in May adds to evidence the world's second largest economy has begun to chart a path out of the supply-side shock that rocked world trade and global markets. The rebounding of China's economy in May once again shows that, though with fluctuations in shape, the positive fundamentals and long-term trajectory remain unchanged. CNBC quoting Francois Huang, senior economist at Alliance Trade, we should see some recovery in the second half of the year. The World Bank, in its latest China economic update, offered an exciting judgment for the business world. China's growth momentum is expected to rebound in the second half of 2022, as China seeks to balance COVID control with economic growth and social stability, enabling a package of policy measures on stabilizing growth to be fulfilled. For the second quarter of China's economy, a reasonable growth is rightfully to be expected.